green.
Well, look, something's hanging there.
Aha, I have 4 daughters. I'm dying to know. It was the fifth.
Well, we are dying to know. Let's do it together. Oh, there you go. Careful.
Thank you, sweetie. So,
Where is it?
look in the box.
You look already?
Again?
Again. Look again.
And 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, confused again. Man, I'm starting to worry.
Yep. But don't worry.
Oh, I had the doorbell.
Oh, doorbell.
Honey, go check this.
One was.
Baby?
Wait a minute. Officer?
Good day.
What happened?
Your neighbors complained about noise.
Yes, sorry. We are having here a gender reveal, you know?
Relax. I'm here to give you something.
Are these cupcakes? Cupcakes!
Take it easy, buddy. It was a joke.
Man, you scared me. Come on. Oh, cupcakes!
Yeah, you should take a bite and maybe you'll find the answer inside.
Look, mine's green. It's supposed to be a boy. Or girl?
It's supposed to be that you have to find an object of the same color.
Color green?
Green!
Look for green! Quick, 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 quick! Look for green!
Found it! Is it a cushion?
I don't know.
A crocodile.
Not really.
The flower?
Ah!
Okay.
Come on.
Nothing!
Look
No,
up.
no, no.
Bingo! A green balloon!
Yeah!
Green balloon!
This way, you're going to hit it right.
Look, 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 look! Come on!
The last hint.
Come here. Turn off the light and you know.
Honey, it literally says we should turn off the light. Come on.
Come on. Okay, okay, I'll do it. I'll do it. Turn it off the lights. 3, 2, 1.
And?
Oh my God! It's a boy! It's a
Oh, congratulations.
boy!
You're going to be a brother.
You will have a brother!
Congratulations. Congratulations. Let's celebrate now.
Let's celebrate!